Hello students, today we are going to start chapter 2. We have already done with chapter 1. Now let's start this chapter. Name is Fun with Numbers. You know numbers? Numbers are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. Right? These are numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Right? Now look in this picture. Children are collecting seeds of imli. Right? Radhika, she has collected 24 seeds. Gauri collected 47 seeds. Sunil collected 38 seeds. Indra collected 54 seeds. And this is Vicky. He has collected 42 seeds. Now, in your textbook, here some questions are given and we have to fill these blanks. Collected the most seeds means which child collected the most seeds. Look here in this picture and tell me which child collected more seeds. It is 54, 38, 47, 24 and 42. Tell me which is more. Okay. Answer is 54. Yes. And who collected? Indra. So answer is Indra collected the most seeds. Sunil will collect dash more seeds to be equal to Vicky. How much more seeds should be collected by Sunil to become equal to Vicky's seed? Here Sunil collected 38 seeds and Vicky collected 42 seeds. Now tell me how much he wants to become equal to Vicky. Yes. Look here. Sunil have how much seeds? 38 seeds. Vicky 42 seeds. Here difference is 3 seeds. Difference is of 4 seeds. So Sunil wants 4 more seed to become equal to Vicky, right? Okay. Now look at next question. If Radhika gets 6 more seeds, she will have how much seeds Radhika collected? Here we can see she collected 24 seeds. If she get 6 more seeds, then how much seed she will have? Radhika she have 24 seeds. If 6 more seeds she will get, then how many seeds she have? 30. 24 plus 6 equal to 30 seeds, right? Okay. Now come to the next question. How many children have more than 40 seeds? Look into this picture and tell me how many children have more than 40 seeds. Radhika have 24 seeds. Is it more than 40 or less than 40? Yes, it is less than 40. Gauri have 47 seeds. These are more than 40 or less than 40? Very good. These are more than 40. Sunil have 38 seeds. More than 40 or less than 40? Very good, very good. 38 is less than 40. Here 54 is more or less? More than 40. And Vicky have 42 seeds. 42 is more than 40 or less than 40? Yes, absolutely right. 42 is more than 40. So we have 1 Vicky, 2 Gauri and 3 Indra. 3 students, 3 children have more than 40 seeds. Here answer is 3. Dash needs 3 more seeds to have 50. Which children have? If we give 3 seeds to one of these children, then he or she will have 50 seeds. Now tell me, if we added 3 to which number so that we get 50? 24 plus 3? 27. 42 plus 3? 45. Yes. 54, it is already greater than 50. 38 plus 3? Yes. 38 plus 3 is 41. Yes. And 47 plus 3, it is 50. So Gauri is the answer. If we give 3 seeds to Gauri, then she will have 50 seeds. Sunil has 2 seeds less than 40. So how much seeds does Sunil have? Look here, he has 38 seeds. 38 is 2 less than 40. And which child has 2 seeds more than 40? 2 more than 40 means 42. Yes. Which child have 2 seeds more than 40? Radhika or Gauri or Sunil or Indra or Vicky? Answer is Vicky. Very good. 40 plus 2 equal to 42 seeds. And here Vicky have 42 seeds. Now come to the next point. Here in your textbook, a page is given with full of dots. So activity for you is put your eraser and your geometry box on these dots and count how many dots are covered by eraser and how many dots are covered by your geometry box, and write down here in your textbook. Okay, now come to the next point. Dhoni's century. What do you mean by century? Any one of you know what is century? Look here. Century means a score of 100. Here we are talking about Dhoni's century, means Dhoni made 100 runs. 100 run equal to 1 century, right? Here we are talking about Match between India and South Africa in Guwahati. India batting first. Now he is commentator. Both of them are commentator, and their commentary is that Dhoni on 96. Only one ball left. Will he complete his century? How many runs he want? Now I am asking you, how many runs Dhoni want to make a century? This girl is also asking, has he completed his century? Now tell me how much run he wants to complete a century. Here it is given Dhoni scored 96 plus he already scored 96 runs for a century. How much run he wants? 96 plus 97, 98, 99 and 100. So if he get 4 run, if he score 4 run, then it will become 100 runs, means a century. A century. But look here, commentator said Dhoni on 96 and he make a 6. 6 means he got 96 plus 6 equal to, okay, now do this sum by yourself. And if you understand the concept of century, then complete this table also, right? Here scores are given of player 1 93, player 2 97, player 3 89, player 4 99. To complete the century for player 1, player 2, player 3 and player 4, how much runs each of them want? Write it here. This is it for today. Thank you.